Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Meow, Said the Cow. Let's start. Silly Auntie Lily loves cows, big and small. She tells us cow stories that make no sense at all. Lonely, goofy stories always told in rhyme, 'cause silly Auntie Lily is silly all the time. I heard cow say meow, I want some food now. I want some food, I want it now. Twiddle, twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Meow. Cats say meow and kittens purr when you stroke their silky fur. Purr. I saw a cow laying eggs, standing on its strong hind legs. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Hens lay eggs, some white, some brown. Hens have feathers and a crown. The crown is like the red thing that's on top of their head. I saw a cow shake her mane, roaring loudly on the pane. Roar! Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Lions roar and have great manes. They live in jungle and on plains. I saw a cow swinging on trees, knocking leaves down with her knees. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Monkeys swing on trees, and hoot bananas are their favorite fruit. I saw a cow slither by, creeping fast with one closed eye. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Slimy snakes creep, crawl, and slither, sliding, gliding hither and thither. I saw a cow swim about underwater with the trout. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Dolphins swim in oceans deep, and they surface with a leap. Oh yeah, one fun fact for this, dolphins do different types of jumps, jumps, like they could do jump, like backflip, twirl, and then boom. Like it means they're communicating, they're like talking to each other by that way. Alright, I heard a cow bark at night. It woke me up, I jumped with fright. Bark, twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Big dogs, small dogs, yip and bark, they also play and fetch in the park. I saw a cow striped black and white, eating beans with appetite. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Zebra stripes are white and black on fruit and beans they like to snack. I saw a cow keeping pace with 3 cars speeding in a race. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Cheetahs run so quickly by, it sometimes looks like they can fly. I saw a cow build a nest on a tree so she could rest. Twiddle, twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Birds build nests to lay their eggs, using mud and twigs and pegs. I saw a cow leaping high, catching with its tongue a fly. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Frogs leap high and eat all bugs. Frogs catch dinner with their tongues. I saw a cow stand on one leg, drinking water from a keg. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Storks use one leg when they stand to make their homes on wet marshland. I saw a cow sleep nights and days until she felt the sun's warm rays. Z, 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 z. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that's not what cows do. Bears sleep winter months and rise when spring welcomes sunny skies. Z, 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 z. I saw a cow hop, then stop to chew some carrots. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Bunny rabbit bops and hops, eating fruit and veggie crops. I saw a cow walk down the road, on her back a heavy load. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Donkeys carry on their backs loads and loads of heavy sacks. I saw a cow try and squeeze in a hole while eating cheese. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. So what I think this book is about is that this is about animals and a cow trying to be those animals and then explaining what those animals are at the end. A mouse hides in holes to eat a yummy yellow cheesy treat. I saw a cow in a creek, not doing nothing for a week. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that's not what cows do. Lazy hippos spend much time resting up in swampy slime. I saw a cow roll in sludge looking like a chocolate fudge. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Pigs are known to roll in mud. Pigs love mud and slime and gunk. I saw a cow gather nuts. She tripped over, what a klutz. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Squirrels collect nuts all around, then they hide them in the ground. I heard a cow sing a song, asking all to sing along. Twiddle, twaddle, giggly goo, that is not what cows do. Parrots talk and sing sometimes. They can mimic silly rhymes. Hey kids, there is more. Keep going. Silly Auntie Lily wants all kids to play with silly rhyming words every single day. You can do it too. There is not any doubt. Keep reading and you will find out. You'll find out all about telling silly stories and doing so in a rhyme, like Silly Auntie Lily, who is silly all the time. So, before you return the book to the shelf, give it a try and do it yourself. More cows and more fun in the pages below. So, here's some riddles. Riddle 1. Fill in the blank. Hint. Find the answer in the list below. I saw a cow weave a web. Can it be true? No, that's silly. It's not true. It's what? So take up some time to think about it. It could be 1 toads, 2 tigers, 3 ants, and 4 spiders. So I think it'll be 4 spiders because the cow is by a spider web. So that's basically correct. You got it. Spiders weave spider webs. Oh yeah, you can see in the spider there is the black widow, one of the most dangerous one of the most venomous spiders in North America. Okay. Riddle 2. I saw a cow give herself a shower with her trunk. Is it true? No, that's silly. It's not true. It's what? 1 foxes, 2 lions, 3 elephants, and 4 hippos. I'm going to say 3 elephants, because elephants have a trunk. and they take water that they collected from their trunk and then pour it on themselves to take a shower. You got it. Elephants shower themselves with their trunks, which is exactly what I said. Riddle 3. I saw a cow with a long neck eating leaves from tall. Riddle 3. I saw a cow with a long neck eating leaves from tall trees. Can it be? Is it true? No, that's silly. It's not true. It's what? 1. Giraffes. 2. Dogs. 3. Sheeps. And 4. Horses. I'm going to go with 1. Giraffes because giraffes have long necks and they eat leaves from tall trees. I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope you see my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!